What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a good one. If you're new to laser engraving and you want to start somewhere, I got just the thing for you. Welcome to my channel. My name's Matt and I own a laser engraving company and I run it currently out of my garage. I used to run it out of my basement since 2015 until this year when I rebuilt my garage, finished it, however you want to say it, made it so I can move up here. And I currently work out of here, which has been amazing and has made things so much easier and flawlessly. Honestly, it's so much faster. It would take me normally 4 hours of work downstairs, and it takes me about an hour and a half now up here. That's how much more efficient it has been for us, and it has been awesome. It's way more time for me to do shenanigans. So, today I'm going to talk to you about the XTool. XTool I've been talking about since before they even wanted to partner up and me help talk about their products. And today this video they sent me this and they wanted me to make some videos on it, and I said I'd do even better. I'm gonna run this thing non-stop. So if you're a beginner, you want to start out with like a D1, depending on your finances, you can get this one. If you can't afford this one's about $4,000 to $5,000 range. They always have sales. I have a link in the description and I'll probably pin it in a comment if you want to check it out, take a look. Otherwise, if you can't afford something like that, they have another great Diode one, and it's a D1, and that one is an awesome machine. I have some videos on that. I've cut pumpkins with it, carved pumpkins, and I've done wonders, and I've etched a bunch of stuff with it. So today I want to show you guys, if you're new, I want to show you how to make products, get started, get you off on the right foot. So today I made something new. We are going to show you guys something, and this is just the start. I have more videos I'm going to be doing and using this laser. I already made the program, have everything done for you, and I just need to show you what I did, and I'll walk you through everything, and I'll have this file in my Etsy program if you want to take a look at it. It's this. It's all these pieces. I'm gonna walk you through, set this up, glue it up. I'm gonna show what it looks like, and I'm gonna make some more things on this and show you guys how you can get going with this. Now, you'll notice I did cut all this. I graved some of this. This is a good monthly for babies, and I'm a big promoter of your foundation. I want everyone to start out with the foundation, and that's all of your family events. Not family, life events. I mean, you want to do life events because it's things that are going to keep happening no matter what, whether you're doing them or someone else. So what I did is I took, I don't even know where I said it now. What I did is I took film. Man, I am having a brain fart. Man, have you ever had that brain fart? I just have a brain fart. So what you want to do is take this stuff on a roll that I have. Why can't I think of it? I can't think of the name. It's like right there, but I can't. Yeah, it's not coming out. Transfer tape. Aha. So you take transfer tape. I put it around the whole side. So you'll see how this has burn marks on it. By doing the transfer tape, you won't have that. Now, if you wanted to cut some cost and you didn't want to buy the transfer tape, that's fine. You don't have to do transfer tape. You're just going to have to do some sanding, which is fine too. So you're going to take the transfer tape off, and we're going to do that to every one of these pieces, and I'll show you. Now I know some of you guys are going to ask, DeWalt sander. I just sand it down. It's a lot easier to weed, and then I'll clean that out. I'll show you what I do with that. Now this is hooked up because do you see how clean and non-dusty it is? Non-dusty whatsoever. This thing is a lifesaver. You're probably wondering, well, you're going to put dust everywhere. Nope. Did you guys know that I do that? Yeah. I put bags in it, so then I don't have to buy no expensive vacuum system, and I just switch out the bags. It's easy. I went with this small vac. When I ordered those bags, they were for a bigger one. It works for the little one, Doesn't bother me. They don't get as full, obviously, because it doesn't have the room. But yeah, it works amazing. There is no dust in here. I'll leave a link for the bags down below. You can take a look, and the shop vac. But the little one works out good. I went the little one because it hooks up to my sander. So that's what I chose. So, next step with this. Now, I like to just blow these out quick. If you don't have an air compressor, you don't have to have an air compressor. I'll show you what else you can do. Compressed air. Now, I buy these by a big amount. And let me show you. See that? Don't even need much. Blows it out really nice. Now, as I'm reclining in my nice office chair, it's actually my editing chair, but I wanted a different chair for out here, so I can just relax like this, because I have all this free time now, because it's so efficient up here. Actually, I don't have quite as much time because it's busy season right now, because I'm recording this in November. So it is like upside down busy, but it's not nearly as busy as it would be downstairs. I am seriously that much faster, that more efficient. So I have to do a shop walkthrough one of these times to show you what else I have changed. So not gonna happen today. I got one more thing for you that I think his name is Kim. I believe it was Kim, and there was one other fella. I can't think of the name, but they told me to get this glue. And Kim is one of my Patreons, and he is a woodworker, like, does amazing work. He's the one who told me to get this stuff. He uses it. It's awesome. It's the best. So I'm gonna grab it and I'll show you. So I'm gonna take this stuff here. Can't really see me. Let's. What's that? It sounded like a big fart when I moved you. So what I'm gonna do is glue the back. Now this glue is really, really good and sticky. So be careful. Just put, all you have to do is, it's a couple of dots basically. It's not gonna fall off. It will be good to go. Dot it all up. We're gonna take it, place it right on like so, and take your time, line it up, make it all look pretty. Okay. Once that one's on there, do the same to this one. Make sure this fits while it's loose. So if you want, you can throw it all in there together and place it in there, and then you know that it's gonna work. See how that looks? Not too shabby. Then take it out. Do not let it in there, because if you have a little bit excess glue that's coming out, it'll glue down and then it'll be stuck. Put that to the side. Let it be. Yeah, let it be. Can you handle? Can you dig? I got another one. I was cutting this while I was peeling this off. And that's the nice thing to do, is when you run, make sure you're doing stuff in bulk. Don't just run little by little. Run it in bulk. I'm gonna peel all this off, and I'm gonna show you what I did here. We got an ornament. See that? Doesn't that look pretty? I made that myself, and I'm gonna add a little schnaz to it. Now I lost it. Where'd I put it? What'd I do with it? Oh, I found it. Boom! Right here. Okay. So, I cut out something special for it. And I think it adds just that extra little touch. So I'm going to add glue, like so. Doesn't that look just sharp? Heck yeah. Then put a string on it. Now you got a personalized ornament. Yeah! It's simple, you guys. It's simple. Well, it might not be simple for some of you guys, but it is for me. For some reason, this stuff just keeps popping in my head, and I just want to keep making more. The only problem is I don't have the time to keep making listings. So as I get an idea, what I'm going to start doing is make the product. I'll keep banking it. Make a couple videos a year, and I'll come out with a bunch of different listings for you guys. If that will help, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'm gonna have these in that Etsy shop, so if you want to take a look, buy the file, whatever, all that money is gonna go towards different things for this shop, for this channel. So that's why I have it up there. Other than that, that XTool is a great machine. I did all the cutting with all these products with that. So I will have more videos on more stuff to make, because I have a friend named Sam. He's the one who's really pushing, like, hey, what about us new guys? So I want to do that. I want to help you guys start out. So I am going to try to do as much work as I can in that XTool to show you guys what you can do. And I'm going to be running my Thunder and my Galvos and everything. But I want to show you guys what you can do, the possibilities you can do with this laser. Also, I have right here, you can see it's MDF, what is it called now? Whiteboard. I'm gonna make some stuff out of there and cut it out of there. Also, it's something like this. You can cut the top one out of there and then it's all white. You don't have to worry about painting. And then when you're done, it wipes right off. That's the best part about that stuff. And we're starting to use this more and more. So it's something else to think about, to add a little schnaz. Or you can cut all of your ribbons out of there, and then that would be a really snazzy look. But yeah, so, and this is how it's gonna turn out. Pretty sweet. I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty cool. I am. Again, link is in the description down below, and for all the stuff I used, this glue. I have another project coming up and I'm going to show you what I'm doing, and we go through quite a bit of this because we sell something that's been really good. So, and I made some changes. You can see over here, I bought a ton of wood, and that's why I'm full of man glitter, you can see. Sarah and I cut all this wood out, and this is for our next projects. We've been selling something, a lot of something, and it's something that'll sell all year. So I know I can put it on here because I'm gonna have different looks than what you would have. So I think it would be a great thing for a bunch of people to get into, or make them start thinking about getting into. But to do that, we got 1/2 inch MDF. So I'm gonna use that, but I'm gonna use that in the Thunder. I don't think the XTool cut it, but I'm gonna try. But you don't have to have MDF. You can do everything out of 1/4 inch. So you will be just fine running that to make these next projects and the video that's gonna be coming up soon. So I'm very excited for that. And come here. I have something else that I'm just waiting to open and play with. Yep. Yeah, I know. Oh, ever since I've been in this garage, I have been just trying to make my company bigger, right? Summers, I'm gonna have a son that's gonna start working for me. I'm investing back in. I'm gonna grow. I want to get to the next level, and that box over there is definitely gonna get me to the next level. So I'm pumped, as you should be, because I'm gonna show you the whole way and everything I'm doing with it. So hope you guys liked the video, and glad you got to see me again. Bye.